This next part, I'm super excited. So I was playing around with some things, and my favorite part of the DV8 is this, is I knew that I would get a cell phone mount solution because there isn't any really good ones. Guess what, guys? Bulletpoint mounting solution totally works on this. So this is what we're going, and I am going to drop a link into this. So the two posts, and as you can see, I've got a little silver there. The 20 millimeter two post, which I'll drop a link to, fits perfectly right here. Now, in order to make this work, you're going to need a couple of things, too, really. Obviously, you're going to need the mount, but you're also going to need some M6 by 12 millimeter or 16 millimeter bolts. And you put them in there. Again, we got our number 4, and the first time that you do it, you really don't want to force this, and you're going to think that you should, but don't. Okay. And in addition to that as well, the M6 bolts are just slightly too big for these. That's why this silver is here. So once you get them threaded through, it will cut into the bullet point and then kind of enlarge in the hole naturally. It's not a lot of effort. So we go ahead and we've got our second M6 bolt in. So that M6 bolts for both of these are in. And again, this is a legitimate 20 millimeter bullet point mounting solutions. I highly recommend them. They are made of metal. The nice thing though is the way that they machine these, there's some ridges, and it makes these super stiff. Now this, I put together myself. I got the cell phone holder, and then I got a 7 millimeter by 1 millimeter arm. Again, I'll put that into the links on the description, but check it out. So we get that all lined up and go ahead and crank this down. Now I put mine on my passenger side because I want it to go like this, but I don't want to block my cup holders. So here we go. Now, before you really crank down on these, you really want to get it in the position where you think it's going to be. So for me, that's right about there. So the bottom one's nice and secure. Happy with this one for the most part. And I'm going to want it right about there. Crank down on that. Crank down on this. Dude, I love the bullet point mounting solutions because you can really crank on them. They're super solid. All right, now check it out, guys. You would think going down the road it's going to be like your cheap Amazon all over. It's really not. I mean, it is a solid. You get a little bit of flex because we went into this, but going down the road, it's super solid. This doesn't go anywhere. It's not going to, you know, left, right, flop over, whatever. So these mounting, by coincidence, very, very happy coincidence, line up perfectly. I'm going to drop the link to all of that. But bullet point in and of itself usually has their system up here, and then you mount to it from there. It's not available for the Landcruiser yet, but if you're impatient like me, you can get the DV8 center console and this mounting ball with the 2 holes, and you're totally set. I have at this point, and I'm sure if Bullet Point sees this, they don't want to hear it. I have no reason to buy, you know, the tray that goes up top. I'm happy here. This is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead now, do the driver's side, and then I'm just gonna do some videos, post-install videos, show them up, and we're good to go. So thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like, please subscribe, please share. It helped me out a lot. So okay, so post-install, there's our bullet point. Got my spare radio over there. I actually hard connect in, so I got a short line. So set up there. I got another little controller ball joint and mounted my Switch Pro on there, and you can see my holster, and I got a multi-tool and pepper spray. So all in all, very, 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 very pleased. That bullet point and the light mount for me makes it, honestly. It just makes it. I feel like I got a little command center now, but I was super stoked to see that bullet point just line up. It just really, really stoked. But there you go, guys. Nice and done.